Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to explore a simple and effective way to enhance your online privacy and security using a VPN. We'll be setting up a custom VPN using the OutlineVPN app and a server from RaceVPN. A VPN, or virtual private network, is a powerful tool for protecting your online activity. It creates a secure tunnel between your device and the internet, making it harder for others to track your online activity and intercept your data. Let's get started. Step 1. Download the OutlineVPN app. Open the Google Play Store on your Android device. Search for OutlineVPN and install the app. Step 2. Set up your server. Open a web browser and go to the RaceVPN website. Tap the menu icon in the top right corner and select Outline from the drop-down menu. Choose a server location. Fill out the account form with your username and password. Complete the reCAPTCHA and tap Create Server. Step 3. Copy your server details. Once your server is created, copy the server details, user password, and IP address to your clipboard. You'll need these for setting up your VPN configuration in the OutlineVPN app. Step 4. Configure the OutlineVPN app. Go back to the OutlineVPN app and tap the plus icon. Paste the access key you copied earlier into the window and tap Save. Step 5. Connect to your VPN. Finally, tap the Connect button to start using your VPN. And that's it. You've successfully set up a custom VPN using the OutlineVPN app and a server from RaceVPN, enhancing your online privacy and security. Remember, using a VPN can significantly boost your online privacy, but it's crucial to stay informed about the latest online security threats and to update your security measures regularly. Don't forget to check out our Telegram and WhatsApp channels for more helpful tips and resources. The links are in the description. And, as always, give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and subscribe to this channel for more content just like this. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. I'm always happy to help. See you in the next video.